Hey, stay with me for a quick second. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Is this something you see in your shop? Looks like a pretty big problem. Look, if you're gonna invest into a CNC machine, don't you care about bed size? What size parts are you gonna run? What size parts do you want to run? Maybe a better question, don't you care about flexibility? Well, come with me, check this out. This is the FlexCNC machine tool. Every machine tool we build, we give customers size and flexibility. This is our standard edition 20-foot long VMC. Don't be limited by a small machine bed. What we're building is the strongest, the longest, and the best priced CNC machine tool in the world. Experience massive action with us, don't settle, size matters. Click below to start making money for your shop.